Welcome to Hollywood Consulting Channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we will be discussing establishing your brand identity via our HWC EmpowersHer program. Today's topic will be brand boards. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Our HWC Empowers Her courses are digital, so you have multiple ways of actually working through them. You can either download it and put it on your device like your iPad, your laptop, or your phone, or you can print it out and have an actual printed copy for you to work with. So let's go into Module 5 where we talk into establishing your brand identity. Go into detail about ways to do that, including crafting your brand story, creating things like your logo, mood boards, and just figuring out ways for you to connect with your potential consumer. You can use items like a brand board for you to kind of organize what you want to do and what ways you want to convey your brand. And it also has everything in one place so that if you need to give it to a designer or somebody, they can do it. We're going to use Canva in order to create our brand board. From the home screen, go to templates, and up at the top in the search area, just type brand kits. Once you do this, you'll see that Canva provides you with a bunch of different branding templates. A few different brand board designs that you can choose from and customize. We're going to go over and check and see all that they have. But I'm just going to start with this one here as an example so that you can really see how to customize it and make it your own. At a quick glance, you can see what the template has to offer. I'm just going to zoom in so we can see it a little bit clearer. There we go. Now let's go down and see everything that's included in this kit. So in the beginning, you will see your typography. Canva provides you with a bunch of different options, so you can really go through and choose which one you like and which will be representative of your brand. I'm just going to scroll through and check. And then once you choose the one that you actually like, you can put the details in this section over here. You can go through, pick which one you really like, take the name, look at all the font types, and adjust it in that area. This section is actually dedicated to your logo. Now you can customize this logo to have your brand name. I'm just going to type in something so that you can see how easy it is to edit. Or you can make up your own design. You can add different features to it, make it look different, make it curved, make it straight. There's so many different ways to customize it. Canva actually makes it really easy to update these items because they have so many things available to you and so many options. But you can update your font face, update what it looks like, and the font name in this section so that it's a part of your brand board. Here are the brand colors. Now you can just easily update them by clicking on the circle, clicking up here in the corner and choosing one of these already existing colors, choosing one of the colors from the photo colors and updating it in that way. As you can see, there's so many different options. They have default colors. They also have gradients that you can choose from. Or if you don't see a color that you like, you can click up here and kind of scroll around and choose a color that best fits what you like to convey for your brand. Yeah, you see how easy it is to browse the different colors and just go back and forth and choose the color that you really like best. I'm just choosing any random color just so that you can see. And we're going to zoom in because what's really important about this as well is the fact that you can actually get the color code from Canva and put it in your actual board so that it's there, and that when you're going and you're working with a designer or when you're just creating other things, you can always have this to reference the colors that actually match your brand, and it's easy to change. These images down here are actually reflective of your mood board. These images are what actually represents your brand. You know, what gives your brand its feel. These pictures already came in the template, but you can always go into Canva Elements and choose any image that you want. I'm just going to search for something up here, random, maybe animals. That sounds good. And as you can see, They have all different types of graphics, but we want to choose some photos to kind of change in there. And I'm really just choosing some random ones and picking photos with vibrant colors so that you can see the cool thing that Canva does with the photos that you actually put into the document. Okay, so I'm just gonna, oops, no, that doesn't quite fit in there, even though it's a great picture. I'm gonna change that to maybe, I don't know, this one looks good. And oh, who doesn't love a squirrel? But okay, so now that all the pictures are updated, oh no, okay, let me delete that. That was definitely an accident. And now that we were able to change all of the pictures, we can click up here on the colors and go back to the photo colors. And you can see that these colors have now been updated to the pictures that I chose to include in the mood board. That is really helpful because you get an overall feeling of the colors that you want associated with your brand that convey the mood of your brand. And Canva just kind of puts them all in one place so that you can see them and choose from the colors that actually go. Then you can update those in your color palette area through here. So I'm just gonna switch some out so that you can see how easy it is to switch those. You can click on the full photo colors and it'll show you pretty much every color that exists in the palette of the photos that we chose for our mood board. I'm just updating some colors so that you can see. And please don't forget to update the actual color code, which you can just copy from up here and paste underneath the color. Again, like mentioned before, it's just really good to have this documented somewhere and to have track of it so that you can always keep consistency with the colors that you want to use for your brand. So yeah, just go up here, you can copy it, and then you want to go ahead and paste it underneath the actual color that you're using. So yeah, I'm just gonna slowly update these just so, again, I want you to see how easy it is to update it and to kind of make things match and blend and make things a little bit easier for you. Okay, so I'm almost done doing this. Just going back and forth and updating it so that it all kind of makes sense. Okay, that's the last one. I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste it in there. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom out so that you can kind of see what everything looks like. I didn't update and customize everything, but I'm gonna go ahead right now and change the color to match one of the colors from the mood board so that it all kind of blends together. And like I said, Canva doing this and putting these colors on the side makes it really easy. Now I'm just changing the name just so you can see how easy it is to update the name. You just click on the box and you can put any new text that you want into it. I'm just making up something so that you guys can see how to update it. I'll do it here again. Animal love. Okay. And here's our typography, which can also be updated here and changed around. We've updated all our colors. We've updated everything, the pictures, and now you can see what it all looks like when it comes together and customized. So here you can see that everything's been customized, and the last thing that I am going to do is just change the name of the document. It's always good to name all of your documents, but Canva makes all of this extremely easy. You can do whatever you need to do as far as designing things for your brand, and look at our brand board. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, please stop by our website and check out all of our HWC Empowers Her Digital courses. They start at just $20. Yes, just $20. Don't miss out on this deal. It's a lot of great information and it'll really set you up in the right direction of your entrepreneurial course. Thanks again for stopping by. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything that we have coming up. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. We're always here to help. And good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.
Take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm trying to hit the group chat, tell them it's a